To add a new section in your single-column document, you can simply copy and paste an existing section. Let's say, for example, that you want to add another entry to your work experience. For that, select an existing entry and press Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac to copy it. Now, click at the end of your selection and press Enter to start a new line. Then, press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to paste the section you copied in the previous steps. In case your content looks different after pasting it, open the paste options and click on the button that says Keep Source Formatting. Now let's say that you want to add a full new section for volunteer work, right between the Education section and the Certification section. If you want the new section to look like the Certifications section, select that one and copy it. Then add a new line at the end of the Education section and paste it like before. The only thing left to do is to change the heading for this new section.